Well, taxes, they have been in the headlines a lot lately. All eyes are on Washington to see if Congress can get tax reform passed. But do you know there are steps that you can take to reduce your tax bill in retirement, regardless of what Congress decides? Matt Deaton and Damon Roberts of Acute Wealth Advisors, they're here to explain. They are two of the Valley's leading advisors here, and they have also a weekly retirement radio show that you can listen to on KTAR at 2 o'clock. They help folks prepare for retirement. So let's talk retirement. Let's talk about taxes in retirement, Damon. First of all, how do they really impact a person's retirement at all?
Taxes are probably one of the very most overlooked pieces of a retirement puzzle. Baby boomers are retiring now without pensions, and so everything's in 401ks and IRAs, which the taxes have been deferred. So now every dollar that comes out is going to be taxable, and it's a huge piece of the overall puzzle.
Ooh, okay. So Matt, what can we do now to help reduce those taxes in retirement?
Yes, let me give you an example. So Damon and I have a client, she's a teacher.
Okay.
Her husband's already retired and she's thinking about retiring in the next few years. And so she came in, and when we sat down and talked about things, I said, you realize that when you retire, when you claim your pension and your Social Security, they're actually going to have more income once she retires than she currently has while working. And she was kind of shocked by that because the pension,
so am I.
pension and Social Security for a teacher ends up being more than what they're even paid in their current salary. So what we talked to her about is, look, you're going to be in a higher tax bracket when you retire. And so that means this money that Damon just talked about that's coming out of the IRA and the 401k is going to be taxed at a higher rate. So we're having her take money now from those accounts. She can either spend it or she can move that over into what we call a Roth account or a Roth conversion and get that money so it's now tax-free.
I don't know if you just saw my jaw drop, because I bet you I never even thought about that, and I'm sure a lot of people sitting at home are thinking the same thing. All right, so when is the best time to sit down? Obviously she's planning ahead, good for her, but we have to do some strategic planning. When should we begin that process then, Damon?
As soon as possible. I mean, obviously for retirement, we talk about the retirement red zone after you're 50. But with taxes, you know, as you mentioned at the beginning, we are looking at reform coming, and we're currently at the lowest tax rates in 50 years, and so now is the time to become tax efficient for retirement.
Okay, and to take advantage of that, Matt, you guys are doing a special offer for our Sonoran Living viewers. You're giving the first 10 callers who call in a retirement income plan free of charge.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's a great special offer. So at the end of that opportunity, what are they going to, what's the walkaway for them?
Well, the walkaway from that is actually having a plan of how you're going to structure your income in retirement. So we're going to help you answer some of the questions about when you claim Social Security, how you claim your pension, but then to add the additional piece of, well, what's that going to do to your tax bracket? And what are some of the things you could be planning now to make sure that as you take money out and as you spend some of that money, that you're giving Uncle Sam less. And if we can save, you know, 5–10% in what you're paying Uncle Sam, guess what? That pays for a vacation. That pays for some of the fun things you want to do in retirement.
Yeah, absolutely. And how long would that planning session take approximately? It sounds pretty labor intensive.
Well, we sit down, we get to know someone in the first appointment, and then from there we can go back and help build that plan and then sit back down with them and kind of go through that. So it's a two-step process.
And it's really just the first step, because it's something, Damien, you say this all the time, you've got to stay on top of it. It's not just a one and done thing.
Absolutely. It's a process.
All right. It is a process, but it's a good process, and it's all to benefit you in the end. All right. So you have to be nearing retirement or already retired to qualify. Acute Wealth Advisors, they have office locations all across the Valley for your convenience. But remember, this is just for the first 10 callers. You can learn more by visiting acutewealthadvisors.com. Here's their phone number to call and set up and see if you're one of the first 10 callers, 480-620-6907.